Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. Welcome back. Long time no see. I know. Come on, give it to me. All right, you're done. All right, so I've been out. I've still been quilting, as you can see, right? But I've been shooting a lot lately. I started competing and shooting GSSF, the Glock Shooting Sports Foundation, and doing very well. And that kind of, doing that is something that I also enjoy doing, shooting. I didn't share that. I don't share that very often because I try to keep that to myself. But while I was shooting, look, I wasn't shooting, right? So we didn't keep up with this, but I knocked this down. It took a little while to do. I need to add quilts to my stash, to a trunk show. I got asked to display some of my quilts at a exhibit, and I had to say sorry. I don't have any because I give them away. So my buddy Andrew said, "Hey man, you might want to start collecting your quilts, keeping your quilts." Rob was like, "You need your own trunk show." So what better way to start my own trunk show than with a Georgia Beauty, okay? So I started working on this, and then I got the inspiration because I've done one before, but I was always like, color, punch the face, color, right? And I was like, well, what happens if I rob the New York Beauty of color? So I'm gonna try one that's in all black and white, right? So right now I've been collecting fabrics with just black and white. And we're gonna see what it looks like, okay? I haven't named it yet. I'm thinking cookies and cream. My wife likes cookies and cream, but we'll see how it goes. But just so you know, I'm still alive, okay? I'm still quilting, all right? I still love you guys to death. I'm gonna say we're back, but you've heard that before, okay? It's like a relationship. It's like a bad relationship. But I love you, okay? I'll always love you, okay? On the cookies and cream, I'll just keep filming as I go with cookies and cream. I started with some of my blocks already. I maybe have 5 or 6, but I got to do like 30 because I want it to be pretty sizable. And we'll just stay up with that, okay? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.